Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to another Poundland haul. So I went a little bit crazy this time. It's been a few months since I went into a Poundland and I got really excited and I bought a ton of new products, actually mostly cleaning products. Again, I watch Mrs. Hinch on Instagram so much that I get so inspired to buy so many cleaning products from her. If you don't know who Mrs. Hinch is, where have you been? Anyways, another Poundland haul, a new month, what's new in Poundland, all these new exciting products to share with you. Also, if you haven't checked out my previous Poundland haul, I'll link it up in the cards for you to check out right now. That was back in June, but this is gonna be my August Poundland haul. And as I said, it's a massive one. So I'm really excited to get into this and show you guys all the new products that I picked up. So before I get started into the new products in this month's Poundland haul, I thought I would share a little bit of a disappointment from last month's haul. So this is a potato masher and I picked it up for only £1 at Poundland and I was really excited because I was like, ooh, I can make mashed potatoes, I can mush some vegetables if I wanted to. But to be honest, this was completely disappointing. Look how bendy it is. It honestly falls apart. When I'm mashing potatoes, it just bends. It doesn't even mash the potatoes. And I didn't think that it was really that worth it. And looking back at it, I shouldn't have wasted £1 on it. And I have to say, Poundland usually has a lot of great products, but this one was a disappointment and it wasn't really good value for money at this point. So anyways, let's stop talking about the potato masher and let's get on to the rest of the video. So the first cleaning product that I have to share with you guys today is this Zaflora. And this is a concentrated disinfectant if you don't know what Zaflora is. And this is in the scent Bouquet, which is really nice in the spring and summertime. I really like this scent and I think it's a really fresh, florally scent. And if you don't know, Zaflora is used as a disinfectant. It's a concentrated disinfectant. So what you do is you place probably a cap full of this into some water or into a dilute of water mixed into a spray bottle, for example, and you spray it all over your surfaces and then you wipe everything down and then it disinfects 99.9% of your bacteria. I absolutely love this. I think during these times, keeping your home clean is so important. But what's so great about this is it actually does not smell chemically. I think that the chemical smell you get in some of your products when you clean is really annoying. And I love how this makes your house smell super fresh and clean and not like chemicals. Let's smell it. It's very, very spring. It's like super light though. It's not overly floral. Like it smells like roses and grass, if I can describe it that way, because I feel like it smells like freshly cut grass and roses. So if you're interested in a scent like that, I pick up the Bouquet Zaflora from Poundland. What's great about it is, again, you get 120 mils for just £1. I think in most other stores, this actually comes at £1.50 or even £2. So great, great buy. I also picked up another Zaflora. Now you can never have too many of these. Now this is in the scent Linen Fresh. Now what I actually like to use this Zaflora for is my laundry. Believe it or not, I put a cap full of Zaflora into my laundry machine to clean the laundry itself. But sometimes when I'm washing, for example, my dog's toys or something that's really smelly, sometimes even gym kit, I usually put a cap full of this and it will disinfect obviously everything inside the laundry and make it smell super linen fresh, which is so amazing. Anyways, if you guys want to see a video where I talk about all the different ways I use Zaflora in my house, leave me a comment down below that you're interested in seeing a video like that and I'll definitely create a cleaning video for you guys. So let's smell this. Now I have had this before. I think I actually have a bottle in my cupboard right now, but this is my favorite scent of Zaflora. It is so fresh, it's so light, and it smells like clean laundry to me. Obviously it says linen fresh, which means clean laundry, but I think that it is a great scent. Also, what I really love doing with this is spraying it around the house. But you know what? I'm gonna save that for my Zaflora video, so subscribe if you wanna see more on Zaflora. So the next two items I have to show you are the only two items that I actually spent £2 on each. Now, Poundland, again, mainly is £1 a piece, but there are a few special buys that are either because of their brand name or the size of the product, they end up being £2 instead of £1. Again, I still think it's super good value for money, but at the same time, you're getting the name brand. So the next two products I have to show you are £2 a piece. So the first product that I'm so excited that Poundland has again, I was trying to look for this product for months, okay? During the lockdown, this product was nowhere to be found. Everyone was buying this up, okay? Not even just at Poundland, but every other supermarket. Everyone was buying this Dettol Sanitising Spray, and it's an all-in-one disinfectant spray, and it's on hard and soft surfaces. So I'm just gonna spray this all around my house. I'm so excited. But it basically kills any bacteria on your surfaces, and you can spray it and you can then put it anywhere in your house and it disinfects everything. It's in a spray can, 2 pounds. I think it's really good value for money, and it is in the scent Crisp Linen, and I'm really excited, honestly, super excited to spray this all over my house. The next product that was 2 pounds is the Viacal Lime Scale Spray. I use this in my bathroom and especially on my glass in my shower. So what you do is you spray this all over your bathroom on any surfaces that have some sort of lime scale buildup on it, and then you just squeegee or wipe it off, and it works like magic. Honestly, it takes away all the scrubbing, all the additional things that you have to do to clean your bathroom. You no longer have to worry about that because this just does all the hard work for you. So when I saw this in Sainsbury's, it was actually 3 pounds, which is a whole pound more. And I have to say, the best thing about Poundland is when you go in there and you start shopping for cleaning products, a lot of the name brands like Viacal or the products that I've already shown you around Dettol, they're usually a pound cheaper. And if not a pound, even 25p cheaper adds up over time. And I absolutely love that you get the name brands for less at Poundland. So the next product I have to share with you guys is my Fairy Washing Up Liquid. And this is in the scent Apple Orchard. And I really like this scent. Oh, no, there we go. Like, it is such a significant and fragrant scent. Like, I feel like whenever I'm washing up with this dishwashing liquid, it makes the entire kitchen smell like apples, which is so nice. Anyways, only a pound, and I think again at Sainsbury's or other high street supermarkets, this is £1.50 or even more, which again, over time, these cleaning products, when you're using them so often and you buy them so often, it really adds up, and it's such a massive savings if you do buy them from Poundland. For my next product that I've also shown in previous Poundland hauls before is the Duck Toilet Cleaner, and this is in the scent Pine. Again, this is a Mrs. Hinch favorite. So for anyone out there in the Hinch army, you know how amazing this smells. It smells so good. Now, no one likes the toilet. No one even likes the scent of what the toilet smells like. So when you use this as a toilet cleaner, it smells pine fresh. It smells like the wilderness, and I really like it. And it helps really clean the toilet. I don't know what else to say about toilets, really. I mean, come on, you've got to clean them. So this is only a pound at Poundland. Again, super, super good value for money. The next cleaning product that I have to share with you today is something that I saw that's pretty new, and I thought that this was kind of exciting, and it's an elbow grease scrub mate, and it removes tough, stubborn stains, but it's still non-scratch and super flexible, and it's kind of like a hard sponge, but I can feel that with water, it'll probably be kind of flexible and being able to clean everything. And it says the only cleaning sponge you'll ever need, and it's soft when wet and hard when dry. So I picked this up because I thought that on some of my pans that I cook on and then there's some residue left, it's really hard to scrub those pans, and I'm really scared about scratching my pans, and I thought that this would be a great alternative to use on my pans. And I think that this one was actually £1.50, so this is another product that wasn't a pound. I think it's on a special offer, and I think because it's brand new, Poundland has marked it up to £1.50. I'll let you guys know in another video if it's actually worth it and if it cleans as it says it does, but I think most of the elbow grease products are really, really trustworthy, and they usually get the job done when it comes to cleaning. The next product that I have to share with you guys today is something that I'm actually replacing. It's something that I have had in my cleaning cupboard for ages, and this is the Glade Shake and Vac Lily of the Valley carpet cleaner. So what you do is you spray this all along your carpet, and you put it everywhere, and you put it down before you vacuum, and then you vacuum it up, and it smells so good. So I'm not a big fan of carpets, but I do have some carpet in my flat, and because of that, I like to use some sort of shake and vac or some sort of scent in order to neutralize the smell that kind of comes up from carpet. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I can smell it. Maybe I have a really sensitive nose. But I actually searched high and low for this. I had to replace this, as I said earlier, and I couldn't find it anywhere. Like, seriously, I went to 3 different supermarkets and they were like,
no, we don't have any sort of carpet shake and vac powder.
So I was able to easily find this at Poundland, and I've realized that for all my cleaning products, usually Poundland is very well stocked, and I have to say that they almost always have everything that I need on my shopping list when I do go in there for cleaning products. Also, speaking of carpet powder, I saw this, and I've never tried this brand before, but I thought I'd give it a go this time. It's called Nutridol, and it's a pink fresh carpet deodorizer, and you just sprinkle a little bit on your carpet and then you vacuum it up. So the same thing as the Glade Shake and Vac, But I thought trying a new brand might be interesting and it might be a new scent that I can try out. And honestly, who could have enough cleaning products? If you can't tell by this video, I absolutely love cleaning products. I really think Mrs. Hinch has had a massive effect on me. But if you guys like cleaning products as much as I do, please give this video a thumbs up and I'll be sure to make sure to do more hauls on cleaning products. Sponges. I have to say, this is the best thing to get from Poundland because I am very particular about sponges. I think they get gross and disgusting, and as you clean things, you should replace your sponge. Really, I really just get really icky about sponges. So usually I replace a sponge every few weeks. I'm always like, ew. It's been sitting there, it's been collecting whatever you've been washing with it, whether it be the bathroom or the sink. And so at Poundland, you get all these sponges for just £1. And I usually use these ones actually to clean the bathroom. And again, over time, they get really gross. And if you think about all the products and all the things you're cleaning up with sponges, it's just good to replace them. So I buy a big pack from Poundland. So the next thing I have to share with you guys is a bit funny. I always buy my bin liners from Poundland. And the reason I buy them from Poundland is because, come on, they're literally bin liners. They're going in the trash. You don't need to spend £5 on bin liners. So I always get them from Poundland. I usually get the extra strong tie ones, but these were new, or at least they were new to me. I've never seen them before, and they are lemon scented tie handle, 25 swing bin liner, 50-liter bag. So they smell like lemon. And I thought, why not? Like, it could be nice scent, and the bin always smells disgusting no matter what you do to it. So I feel like hopefully these will work and kind of neutralize the bin smell. So let's smell and see if these really do have some sort of scent to them. Oh, wow. They actually do smell. Yeah, it does smell like citrus fragrance. Wow. I'm really excited. And it says it's strong strength, so I hope these last. Wow, I'm so excited. I think these are new actually. How exciting. No more yucky smelling bins. Poundland is a perfect place to pick up bin liners because they are, again, only £1. And over time, you're gonna want to have cheaper bin liners because otherwise you're just throwing your money in the trash. So the next thing I have to show you is kind of a practical item, and I think that this is something that's out in Poundland right now because it is summertime and I'm facing this massive issue in London that there are so many flies and fruit flies in my house right now. And the reason being is I don't have aircon in my house, as most houses in England don't have aircon. And because of that, I open up my balcony doors and my windows and they're wide open. There's no net. So that means I have tons of flies that come into my house and it's so annoying. It makes me feel like the house is dirty, even though it's not, even though I've just cleaned, it feels dirty. So I got this fly insect killer and it says that it kills moths, mosquitoes, and many other flying insects in and around the home. It lasts up to 3 months. So it has natural lavender oil in it, and I think it's pretty safe for animals as long as they don't get into it. I thought that this would be a great option to catch those little pests that are flying around my house, and hopefully I won't have as much of a fly issue in the summer. So the next 2 things that I want to share with you guys are staples in my house, and they are in my Poundland hauls every single time I go, and these are just facial tissues. They're from Kleenex, and they have balm care in them, so they're super soft and easy when you are blowing your nose or wiping your face. I always buy 2 at a time just to keep one as a backup and then one on my bedside table, but I love this brand, and again, only £1, and I'm totally sure that they're more expensive at other supermarkets. So both of these are each £1, so it's £2 for 2 of them. And in Sainsbury's, for 2 of these, you actually have to pay £3. So that's 50p more per box. So you're saving so much by buying them at Poundland. So the next thing I have to share with you guys is ironing water. And this is a repurchase of mine. This is something that I keep as a staple in my house. And this is the Fresh Sky scent. And what I do is I pour some of this into my iron before I iron my clothes. Using water in your iron can usually build up limescale, and this product is going to be able to protect your iron from limescale, which is really important because obviously you spend a lot of money on an iron. So I really just like to protect my iron by using this instead of tap water when I am ironing my clothes. So let's smell it. I think it smells absolutely amazing. Yeah, oh, it smells so good. It reminds me of my freshly washed clothes because I ironed them and it smells just like this, but it's a great scent. All of these scents are so important. I don't know. I really love a fresh smelling house. And as you've noticed with all my products, they have a scent to them and it makes a massive difference to how my house smells once I've cleaned it. The next product is a refill, and it's super important to have at hand when you are washing your hands, especially important right now with everything that's going on in the world. This is the Simple Kind to Skin Pure Hand Wash. I really love this because it is really gentle and it doesn't dry out your hands. And I think the water in London, as I mentioned before, is already really drying. So what I love about this is really kind to your skin. It is a refill bottle, so it means it's going to be poured into my soap dispenser in my bathroom, and I will recycle this, but it says no harsh chemicals, no artificial perfume, and no animal ingredients. So really kind to your skin. Anyways, I love purchasing these from Poundland. £1, easy to refill, great value for money. The next thing is a bathroom staple, and I mentioned this in my last Poundland haul. I always keep an extra toothpaste in my cupboard. So recently I had to open up my cupboard and open a new toothpaste, and I realized I didn't have any extra at hand. So this time I decided to buy another one. And I always get the Colgate Deep Cleaning Whitening. It's only £1. Super, super, super good value here. I'm pretty sure even when they're on sale at Sainsbury's or Superdrug, they're at least £1.25, if not £1.50. And this is 75 ml, and you get it for £1 at Poundland. So the next thing in my haul is something I need to pick up for the candles around my house. I picked up this nifty kitchen cooking lighter. It says it's for the kitchen, but what I use it for is actually lighting my candles. It also came with some extra lighter fluid so you can refill it, which I think is great because I really get annoyed with these when you use it and then suddenly it runs out of lighter fluid and then you can't seem to find the right size lighter fluid to refill it. So the pack comes with both in one. Hopefully it lasts for a while. I use this for my candles around the house, and yeah, £1, great. The next thing I have to share with you are these garden zip ties. Now, if you haven't already seen my garden balcony tour, I'll link it up in the cards right now so you can check it out. But I have a massive garden for a London balcony. I'm pretty proud of it myself. And I actually have to use some zip ties to tie together some canes to make sure my tomatoes stick up correctly because they're falling over because they're getting so big. But anyways, I bought these from Poundland so that I can use them in my garden and make sure that my tomato plants stick straight up instead of flopping over. Now, the final thing I have to share with you today is a Poundland treat. Now, last Poundland haul, I tried out some of their treats as well, and this time I decided to try out the Dime Mint limited edition chocolates. Now, when I saw this, I was like, no, I have to be good, but come on, it's Dime chocolate and it's mint, which means I've never seen this before, so I had to try it. It's 3 little individual bars in here, and it's £1. And I have to say, Poundland's sweet or confectionery section is such a good and bad area. It's so good because there's so many different things that you can try out, but obviously bad because they're little naughty treats. But anyways, I'm really excited to try one of these out, and I was really tempted to have one before this video, but I recorded the video and now I'm actually gonna try it out. It smells like After Eight, which is that mint or after dinner mint that you usually have. It's like a chocolatey mint smell to it. Let's try it. Oh, wow. It kind of tastes like toothpaste, but really good. It's really refreshing. Like, I feel like I'm cleaning my mouth. Like, I feel like I'm brushing my teeth, but eating chocolate? I don't know if that's a good thing, but so far it's really good. I love Dime chocolate. It's one of my favorite chocolates. So honestly, they could probably do any flavor and I'd like it, but it's really good. I'd recommend trying it. Ow, it's stuck in my tooth. So guys, that brings me to the end of my haul. I hope you enjoyed everything that I purchased from Poundland. It was a massive one, and I hope you guys loved all the cleaning products that I had to share. If you guys do like videos like this and me sharing my Poundland hauls, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you've made it this far into the video, you are a loyal viewer, and I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. I upload Poundland hauls probably once every month, so if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel and I'll be sure to create more content for you. Anyways, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!